The area of Karachi was known to the ancient Greeks by many names: Krokala, the place where Alexander the Great camped to prepare a fleet for Babylonia after his campaign in the Indus Valley; Marantabara, probably Menorah Island near Karachi Harbour, from where Alexander's admiral Nearchus set sail; and Barbar Icon, a port of the Indo-Greek Bactrian kingdom. It was later known to the Arabs as Dibal, the starting point for Muhammad bin Qasim and his army in 712 CE. Karachi was founded as Kalachi by Baloch tribes from Balochistan and Makran, who established a small fishing community in the area. Descendants of the original community still live in the area on the small island of Abdullah Goth, which is located near the Karachi port. The original name, Kalachi, also survives in the name of a well-known Karachi locality named My Kalachi. The city was visited by Ottoman Admiral Saidi Ali Reis in 1550s and mentioned in his book Mirat ul-Mamalik, The Mirror of Countries, 1557 CE. The present city started life as a fishing settlement when a Balochi fisherwoman called My Kalachi took up residence and started a family. The village that later grew out of this settlement was known as Kalachi Jogoth, village of Kalachi in Sindh. By the late 1700s, the village was trading across the Arabian Sea with Muscat and the Persian Gulf region. A small fort was constructed for its protection, armed with cannons imported from Muscat. The fort had two main gateways, one facing the sea, known as Kara Darwaza, Brackish Gate, Karadar, and the other facing the Lyri River known as the Mitha Darwaza, Sweet Gate, Mithadar. The location of these gates corresponds to the modern areas of Karadar, Karadar, and Mithadar.